Hello. So I'm Vaijnath. I'm the business analyst and Scrum Master trainer. So if you are looking at this video, then that means you have inquired about the business analyst plus Scrum Master training. So this is just a brief description on what I train on, what are the topics that I'll cover. So I'll teach three major topics as a part of this training. First one is business analysis. Second one is Scrum Master, like I said. And there is another topic that I'll cover, which is a bonus, which is systems. So let's briefly go through business analysis. I'll start with the planning phase. I'll so this is the SDLC. So all the topics that you see here is the software development lifecycle. So I'll go through each and every phase. I'll start with planning, and I'll cover each and every topic that's mentioned here. So what you see is what you get. So I'll cover analysis, and I'll cover requirements gathering, design, development, testing, deployment, maintenance, change request mechanisms, and production support. So now, when it comes to planning, it's how a project is initiated, and I'll cover content on the discovery phase, and then the planning, how to come up with the project charter, work breakdown structure, and all that. And analysis phase is the most important topic of this entire course. So I'll really, because that's the phase where you can get familiarity on the domain and get familiarity on the current business and application process flow, so that you can do the requirements meeting well. You can do well in the requirements meeting and in the requirements phase, and you can document effectively. So I'll really deep dive into analysis phase, and I'll teach you various types of requirements gathering techniques, which is brainstorming, brain writing, and I'll also tell you how to come up with a business requirement document. I'll show you a sample document, and we'll talk about the design phase. What is your role in design phase? What is development phase? What is your role? And what is testing phase? Your role. Deployment. How do you do the cab request? How you deal with the DevOps team or code technology services? And what is your role in maintenance, change request, and production support, triage call, and all that topics I'll cover. So these are all the tools that you will learn. So I'm not going to teach you Excel and Word and all these simple straightforward tools. I will not be teaching you, but then these tools you can learn. So it's kind of basic, so you can learn by yourself. That's why I put it as tools to learn. So next is Scrum Master. I'll teach you what is agile, uh, introduction to agile methodology. I'll teach you what is agile and how it fits into IT, and I'll teach you how is agile different from waterfall, and what are the agile principles, what is the Scrum team, what is agile mindset, and all that. Just a very brief description on the Scrum Master role. It's a very it's kind of a management oriented role that will incline more towards your communication skills. So since it since it inclines more towards your communication skill, I'll teach you how to talk, how to act as an agile coach, and all that. And you'll be more of a facilitator and a servant leader. That's just a very brief description about the Scrum Master role. I'll teach you how to come up with user stories, how to calculate velocity and capacity. I'll discuss about different types of backlogs, and how are these user stories categorized. It can be categorized into every capability, feature, etc. And how to handle change requests, what is the definition of ready, definition of done, invest and smart criteria. We'll talk about types of dependency mapping, safe ceremonies, what is architectural runway, and continuous exploration. So I'll cover all these topics. So one thing to notice, I'll cover Scrum and Safe. So I'll just put it in here. So both Scrum and Safe frameworks will be covered. So next is systems theory. So this is an This is actually out of scope, but then I brought it in scope. This is my own intervention. You'll never see another training program where there is something called systems theory. So this whole syllabus, it's my own intervention. I've drafted this. The reason why I have come up with this course is this systems theory segment is because, so generally as a business analyst or a scrum master, when you walk into an organization, the developer or tester might speak a technical language or systems language. When that's the case, you have to be able to understand it and respond effectively, and you have to make sure that whatever you are saying, they are able to understand too, the developers and testers. So for you to speak systems and understand systems and understand the technical aspects of IT on a high level, this course will help you. That's the primary reason why I have included systems theory. So and it will most definitely help you, and it will help you crack interviews, and it will also help you when you do your day-to-day activities. So when it comes to systems theory, there is systems introduction. What is front end, middle tier, back end? What is code behind? What is common code? What is business logic? What is XML, XSD, WSDL? What are the different types of validations, type of architecture? What is web service, microservice? What is an API? What are the different types of reports? Basic introduction into SQL and how it is used in the real-time environment. What is orchestration process? What is batch process? What is Ajax? What's DevOps? How to do merge? How to do code transfer and all that. So I will cover all these topics so that you have a theoretical understanding and a very high understanding of how technicalities work in IT, so that you can talk to the DevOps team, database administrator, DevOps engineer, developer, tester. You can talk to them effectively without being tentative that you are a functional person. So this is the primary purpose of systems theory, and and this is a bonus content, and I'm sure that you like this bonus content. So this is like the dessert, you know. This is the main course. BA and Scrum Master is the main course, and systems theory would be a dessert, which is bonus free. I'm just giving out as a free segment. So this is the course. If you are really interested in this course, please do let me know. We'll discuss about the steps forward. If you have any other questions, feel free to text me, and we can maybe set up a call and connect, so that I can get a deeper understanding of what you want. And most importantly, do join my Facebook group, so that you'll be in my community. It will be around, I think there's around 800 members when I'm recording this video. I'm sure it's going to expand, and I'll post regularly there. On a regular basis, I'll be posting content which you might like. So please do join my Facebook group, and I must have sent you the link also. So the link is there in your inbox. So thanks for your time. Thank you. You have a nice day.